iStereo-0745-B2 stereo microscope is equipped with a premium optical system and robust and reliable mechanical structure. Supported by comprehensive accessories and flexible configuration combinations, this microscope meets high-precision testing demands of modern biology, medical science, scientific research, online inspection in the electronic industry, and other technical industry fields. It adopts a 14.5 degrees inclined observation head with binocular diopter adjustment, and its interpupillary distance is adjustable within the range of 15.4 mm to 17.6 mm. Featuring a hinged binocular design, it supports 0.7 to 4.5 times continuous zoom and delivers consistent imaging typicality across the entire zoom range with a 6.4 to 1 objective zoom ratio. The dual-side focusing system ensures comfortable and effortless operation, allowing users to operate with the focusing hardware on their preferred side. It's fitted with a B2 base, which features dual designs of black and white construct plate and transparent plate. The zoom knob enables ultra-smooth and accurate adjustment, while the dual-side focusing hardware delivers precise and fine focusing control. The trinocular tube comes with a built-in plus or -5 diopter adjustment function, enabling diopter calibration without adjustable diopter eyepieces. Built-in upper and lower LED light source provide uniform and high-quality illumination for observation.